select Arrivals from the Front Desk module. The Arrivals search screen displays. The Arrival From and Arrival To fields automatically default to the current date, meaning that Opera will display only those guests arriving today. If you wish to search for arrivals on another date or a range of days, you can easily change the Arrival From or Arrival To dates by selecting the calendar icons next to those fields or directly entering the dates in the fields. Other search options include guest name, company, business block name, or confirmation number. To access more detailed search options, select the Advanced button. Now you can search by room type, room number, reservation type, or wait-listed reservations. To proceed with searching for arrivals on the current date, simply select the Search button. All guests arriving today now display in alphabetical order. The first reservation in the results grid is automatically highlighted. Notice the red lamps that appear below the grid. These indicate that the reservation has information associated with it, such as routing instructions, deposit rules, or if it is in a queue status. Use the buttons along the right to perform various functions. Clear will remove any entered search criteria and reset the search screen. Cancel will cancel the highlighted reservation. You can also print a registration card directly from this screen or access the guest's profile. Options offers access to the many reservation options without having to first edit the reservation. Edit allows you to access and modify the highlighted reservation. When a guest arrives at your property, there are two available check-in options. We will first discuss performing a check-in from the reservation screen. Highlight the guest's name on the Arrivals search screen and select Edit. The first step is to assign a room to the guest. Simply click in the room field and Opera automatically populates the next available room number. If you wish to change the default room, notice the list of other available rooms at the bottom of the screen. Manually enter one of those rooms into the field, or select the Room drop-down arrow and choose from the available rooms. Next, verify that the reservation details and payment information are correct. Note that if a guest is paying cash, a red No Post lamp will appear on the reservation. This prevents automatic interface postings to this guest's folio. For example, the phone, minibar, and movie systems are not accessible to the guest when No Post is selected. To manually turn off the No Post indicator, click on the lamp to access the Privileges screen and deselect the No Post checkbox. You can also select the ellipsis button to open the interface menu screen, where you can choose only certain interfaces to turn on or off. This only applies if your property has configured interfaces. Once all of the reservation information is confirmed, select the OK button. A prompt appears to verify that you want to check in the guest. Select Yes to proceed. Another prompt appears, asking if you want to print the guest's registration card. If your property has an active key interface, you will also receive a prompt asking if you want to cut keys. Lastly, a pop-up appears to confirm that the check-in was successfully completed. Select OK. Next, we will learn how to use the Check-in button. This method, known as Quick Check-in, is faster than using the Edit button, but it does not allow you to review all of the reservation details with the guest prior to check-in. Highlight the guest on the Arrival screen and select Check-in. The Payment Method screen displays, and Opera automatically assigns a room number. Verify the payment method. If it is necessary to change it, select the Payment drop-down arrow and choose the correct payment type. If the guest is paying by credit card, be sure to enter the credit card number and expiration date, or simply swipe the credit card. Also remember that if you choose Direct Bill as the payment method, the profile attached to the reservation must have an active AR number. Once you've confirmed the payment information, select OK to proceed. The same series of pop-ups appear. to print a registration card, to cut keys, and to confirm that the guest is successfully checked in. Select OK to return to the Arrivals screen.